I think it will change the global forces they are our oldest treaty partner.
Naniniwala si Presidente Marcos na hindi magbabago ang palasiya ng Amerika sa pagbabalik ni President-elect Donald Trump. Ang video, panoorin po natin.
That doesn't change. So I will have to see if there is a major change, but I don't think so. I don't think so. Anyway.
And it's now time for America to wage war on the cartels. Millions and millions of families and people are being destroyed. When I'm back in the White House, the drug kingpins and vicious traffickers will never sleep soundly again.
We are now monitoring what's happening. I was watching some film that came out of Aurora and some film that came out of Isabela earlier today. We are just preparing. We actually managed to prepare. We've done the usual standard procedure where we have pre-positioned our equipment and our relief goods, and we will just have to see where the areas are that will be particularly hit. The problem is there is another one that's now 3,000 plus kilometers off the coast of Luzon. And that promises to be a stronger one. So we just have to continue to prepare. It becomes a little complicated because generally speaking, pagka nagkaroon tayo ng bagyo, sabihin, ito yung nasira, ito yung kailangan gawin, ayusin natin muna lahat yan. Ngayon, sinasabi natin, mag-isip-isip tayo kasi kung aayusin natin, tapos sisirain na naman ang susunod na bagyo, sayang lang yung ating ginawa. So kailangan natin magplano. Pero yung mga tao, kailangan na may kuryente, kailangan na may food supply, kailangan na may tubig, kailangan na ayusin ang kanilang bahay. So this is the balance that this is the tightrope that we're trying to navigate. It's just a little bit